Hi guys, good morning. So today guys, it is Thursday and sa Saturday meron kaming bisita dito. Actually, hindi ko to planado, which is planado to ng aking mga kaibigan. Talagang gustong-gusto nilang pumunta dito sa bahay. Although yung bahay namin mga langga is not totally arrange. Hindi pa talaga siya na-arrange lahat-lahat. Marami pa kami mga frames na hindi pa naisabit, pati yung TV, tapos yung mirror namin, and I will show you guys here. So let's start here in the laundry area. Basically, this is our walk-in door from the garage. So outside on that door, it's our main garage. And well, so since nandito na tayo, so magsimula tayo sa garage. So yun, ito yung aming garage mga langga. So as you can see here, my shoes is not even on in the stock file here. Ayan, so this is our shoes. Actually, shoes din to. So pipilian ko yan kasi dadalhin ko yan sa Pilipinas. And basically, ito yung aming garage, mga langga. So, super ano pa siya, makalat. And, this box, I am going to throw that away. Marami, ayun, nakafile na yung aking mga box na nakakat na sila. And this lamp here, I have 2 in here. So, kukunin daw yan ng aking sister, which is good. And, yung mga, like, walker, I have to donate that. And I have few. I have few. And this one here, this box here, I am going to donate that as well. And I have another one here. That's, as you can see, that one. Yan, i-donate ko rin yan. And itong mga tote, mga langga. So, I have few tote box here. So, this one, I'm going to leave that one here in this garage. And the rest will be, moved to our garage here. So, meron din kaming garage downstairs na kailangan din siyang i-arrange. Pero, bago lang namin siyang nilinis doon, nagpa-power wash kami doon kasi super dumi talaga and parang hindi ko kaya yung dumi talaga. So, pinower wash namin. So, yung mga tote box dito, kailangan namin ilipat doon. So, ayan. Ma-arrange din to. Kailangan ko talaga itong ma-arrange mga later tonight mga langga dahil meron kaming bisita sa Saturday. Nakakahiya. So, I'm going to remove this carpet ba yan? Tatanggalin ko yan mga langga because I don't like it. Anyway, so let's move on inside. So, pagpasok mo dito sa aming garage door,